everyone! Welcome back again with me. Today we are gonna draw a cute lion and tiger and make them story. Are you ready? Let's start! Once upon a time in vast jungle, a lion named Leo and a tiger named Tiggs live in neighboring territories. Despite their differences, both were fierce and respected hunters. One day, a severe drought struck the jungle, causing the river to dry up and food to become scarce. Tiggs and his family were struggling, while Leo's pride was also feeling pressure. Realizing that their survival depended on working together, Leo approached Tiggs. At first, Tiggs was wary, remembering the age-old rivalry between their species. However, desperation drove him to listen. They decide to combine their strengths. Leo's courage and Tiggs's agility. They devised a plan to hunt larger prey, allowing them to share the bounty. As they worked together, they developed a mutual respect. Leo admired Tiggs's stealth, while Tiggs was impressed by Leo's strengths. The two formed an unlikely friendship, teaching their respective families the value of cooperation. Together, they found a hidden water hole deep in the forest, where they could drink safely. Their partnership not only saved their lives, but also brought peace between their two groups. The jungle learned that strength lies not just in individual power, but in unity. From that day on, Leo and Tiggs stood side by side. Ruling their territories as allies, ensuring that no one in the jungle went hungry again. And it's done! Quotes for today. The greatest success we will ever know is helping others succeed and grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.